Hi, I'm Jules. One of the most earliest sounds that children come in for speech therapy is the k sound. Okay, so it's like this. And it typically comes at around 3 years of age. So the Goldman-Fristow test, which we use to assess children's speech sound, showed that 85% of children will have this sound correctly by about 3 years. So when we say the k sound, it's made at the back of our throat. And a fun fact, if a child can't say the k sound, they won't be saying the g sound either, because it's made in the same place in the mouth. One is just louder than the other. It has the voice on. So the k is quieter, but the g is louder. So what does that sound like? Instead of ready, steady, go, they will say ready, steady, do. Instead of lick, the ice cream, they will say lit, the ice cream. So typically they'll be making a t or a d sound, which are at the front. And we're wanting to teach the children to make the back sound. So hopefully I've got my ones correctly. I've tried different ways on this iPad, but the k or the g will go to a t or a d, and they'll get some speech therapy to practice that. So the way that starts is typically with some sound play to see if the child's able to say that sound. So it'll be lots of making k and g stimulation, putting their head back, touching their throat, touching your throat, maybe even laying back on the sofa to let their tongue naturally fall back. Even using a tongue depressor to hold down that tongue so it doesn't go up the front. So like a k sound. So a lot of parents really want to get the ball rolling and start using big words like ice cream straight away. But there is about 10 little steps to help learn new sounds. So be patient, have fun. Your child will really appreciate going at their own pace and learning and achieving and feeling that confidence. So after they've achieved that sound, the speech pathologist will add another sound, like a vowel. So it'll be k, ka, and help them learn the new word. They'll also be using pictures so the child can associate, the difference between something like tar, like a black tar, and ka, or something like tea that we drink, and key. And they'll be starting to learn that. It is fun. Give it a go, and you will be doing the home practice. So you can do that in the bath, in the car. You can do it at a time that is fun for you and your child, and your speech pathologist will go through some activities and things that you'll find helpful and useful. So be patient, don't jump the gun, work through the stages because they do work. Your child will progress and start to make those k and g sounds and words. I hope you found this helpful. Leave me a question or a comment, and take care.